What if I told you a man once walked into a police station, confessed to a crime, but couldn't remember doing it? Not because he was lying, but because another person inside him did it. This is the true story of Billy Milligan, the first man in U.S. history found not guilty of violent crimes because 24 personalities lived inside him, each with their own memories, their own accents, their own IQ. In 1977, the Ohio State University campus was frozen with fear. 3 women reported something horrifying. Each victim described a different attacker, different age, different voice, different behavior. But police found something impossible. All 3 descriptions pointed to the same man. And Billy insisted he didn't remember anything. Inside Billy lived a community of identities. They lived in a mental place they called the spot. Only the dominant personality could come forward. 1. Arthur, the intellectual. British, high IQ, calm, emotionless, good at chemistry and medicine. 2. Rajan Vidaskovic-ish, Yugoslav accent, violent, claimed to defend the body. 3. Adalana, shy, soft-spoken teenage girl, wrote poetry, later confessed to the assaults. 4. Tommy, the technician, expert at lockpicking, fast thinker. 5. Alan, the manipulator, smooth talker, skilled at convincing people. These were not moods, not emotions. These were fully formed identities, each with their own handwriting, their own memories, their own fears, their own traumas. Doctors were stunned. Billy could switch personalities voluntarily. His pulse, voice frequency, writing style, all changed instantly. After weeks of testing, one personality confessed. It was me. Adalana, the shy teenage girl, said she committed the assaults while other personalities were asleep. Billy had no memory because Billy wasn't there. In 1978, the judge made a decision that shocked America. Billy Milligan was declared not guilty, not because he was innocent, but because only some of his personalities were guilty. Therapists worked to merge the personalities. Over years, the fragments began to fuse until a new personality emerged. The teacher was calm, wise, and claimed to remember every trauma Billy lived through. He said something chilling. Billy was created to survive the unbearable. Billy Milligan spent the rest of his life in institutions. He died in 2014. Not a monster, but a shattered soul trying to hold 24 lives together